HPDLC fingerprint profile of antibacterial compound produced from porous oil Streptomyces species. This is our Actinum Bacteriology lab. The figure in the right shows yellow color spores of SFA5 on reverse side of glass plate. Streptomyces species SFA5 was isolated from Sabrimala forest ecosystem, Western Ghats, using starch case in agar media, supplemented with filter sterilized nystatin and nalic acid by serial dilution plating method. The viability of strain SFA5 was maintained on ISP2 agar lands at 4 degrees Celsius. Using a sterile loop, the spores of SFA5 from ISP2 agar lands transferred to a freshly prepared ISP2 solid media contained in glass petri plate, and it was spread evenly by cross-streak method. The strain SFA5 started to produce yellow color pigment after 4 to 5 days of incubation. We are going to discuss the production and extraction of bioactive compound, and it contains following steps. First one is preparation of inoculum. Chemical use is 100 ml of ISP2 broth. By using sterile loop, the spores of SFA5 contained in glass petri plates was transferred to 100 ml ISP2 broth contained in 500 ml conical flask. The spores of SFA5 was mixing well in ISP2 broth. After finishing the preparation of inoculum, the conical flask was labeled. Second step is production of bioactive compounds by submerged fermentation. Equipment used is rotary shaking incubator. Inoculum of SFA5 was kept in shells of rotary shaker at 28 degrees Celsius. Then the fermentation condition at 90 rpm for 7 days continuously. Supernatant biopotency by agar well diffusion method. Equipment used is centrifuge and cock borer. After fermentation, broth was transferred to centrifuge tubes under sterile condition in laminar flow chamber. The centrifuge tubes were kept in centrifuger and centrifuged at 10,000 rpm for 30 minutes. After centrifugation, the biomass was settled at the bottom of centrifuge tubes, and supernatant biopotency was checked through agar well diffusion method. By using sterile cotton swabs, the pathogens were seeded evenly in freshly prepared nutrient agar plates. Then by using agar well cutter, well was laid on nutrient agar plate. Then the supernatant of SFA5 was loaded on the wells of nutrient agar plates, and the SFA5 biopotency was checked through the maximum zone of incubation values. Step 4 involves extraction of bioactive compound by ethyl acetate solvent, Teflon separating funnel. The equipment used in this method. The self-free supernatant from centrifuge tubes were transferred to separating funnel. Nearly equal volume of ethyl acetate solvent was also added to the separating funnel. After mixing it well by shaking, separating funnel was allowed to kept standalone for few hours. Ethyl acetate extracts the bioactive component present in the supernatant of SFA5. After extraction, the bioactive component of SFA5 was collected at bottom and allowed to dry. Step 5 is bioactivity of crude extract by disc diffusion method. sterile paper disc is used in this method. The pathogens were seeded using sterile cotton swab sticks evenly on nutrient agar plates. The dried crude extract were impregnated in 5 mm diameter sterile filter paper disc and placed over the pathogens, and bioactivity was confirmed based on zone of incubation values. This is the results of SFA5 in zone of incubation values against various pathogens in agar well as well as disc diffusion method. Two yellow-brown spots reveals the presence of two antibacterial compound at RF value of 0.38 and 0.46 in optimized solvent ratios.